Yimkyung will observe and celebrate many festivals. Among many festivals, Medumneo is also one of the most important and popular festival observed by the Yimkyung people. The term Medumneo encompasses of three syllables, that is Medumneo. Me, which means soul or spirit, Dum, which means wrap, and Neo, which means feast. So, which means soul wrapping festival. Some of its significance are as follows. Number one, announcement. Normally, this festival falls on the first week of August and the forerunners ahead of the 4 days. It is strongly believed that if he fails to announce properly, the certain calamities befall on him.
Today we are proud to be called as Yimkyung with rich culture and festivals. Medumneo is celebrated widely in the land of Yimkyung, which falls in the first week of August, culminating on the 8th of August every year. During the festivals, the villagers are not allowed to go to the field because it is considered as an auspicious for reconciliation and to share love towards each other. It is also to honor the souls of the dead, and it is believed that the dead visits home during this time of the year. It is also believed that if an individual walks alone, there is tendency for him or her to encounter unpleasant situations in his or her life.
가지고 당지 가봐 가마치와 아쿠비 가마치와 셰버로 다시 받는 주사다 조동님 많이 가마치와 셰는 하고 받는 중어와 중원도 저 들어보 뭐라는데 가마치 야야 들어라 키워 나와. 왜?